there are so many channels on YouTube that are making so much money. When you go to this channel, Social Blade, they're making between $21,000 and $338,000 per month. No, that is not a mistake, guys. That's per month. And every month they're getting 66 million views, guys, and every year they're making between 254,000 and 4.1 million. So every day they're literally getting 2 million views, 1 million view, 2 million views. It's just crazy. So this channel right here, it's called the typical gamer. When you go to the channel, they're just making videos about Fortnite, and people just absolutely love watching these videos. And it's pretty crazy because this channel has like 5-hour streams, 3-hour streams that people are watching. And you can put a lot of ads in this, guys. And I don't know if this person shows your face. Looks like they do, but you can just see how many ads you're adding to this video. They have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, more than 10 videos because they're doing like a 4-hour stream. But what you could do is you could remove your face from this and just do a really interesting voiceover. And people would absolutely love watching this, guys. They started this channel in 2008 and they have 3 billion views. Make sure to subscribe for more YouTube Cash Cow channel ideas.